the second letter in the alphabet called ba. So this is ba, the name of the letter, and the letter is written at the beginning of the word like this. We cut the tail because this is a connector and it should be ready to connect with the letter after. If it is in the middle of the word, so there is already a letter before, and this is the ba, and we cut the tail because we are preparing the ba to be connected with the letter after. And if it is at the end of the word, so this is the letter before and here is the ba. Now we don't cut the tail because it's the last letter in the word. Now as you see, the ba connected like this, and the computer does this for you. When you do the handwriting, you have to do this job instead of the computer. So let's see the ba at the beginning. So you write, this is the ba as a separate letter. At the beginning of the word, you put the head of the ba and the point, instead of writing the point here in the middle. As you see, the point here is in the middle of the letter. But since you cut the tail, so you write the point down the vertical part of the letter. And now the rest of the letter is cut because it's called the tail. We have to prepare the letter ba to be ready to be connected with the letter after. In the middle of the word, so we have already some letter before, and then we attempt to write the ba like this, and then we write the head of the ba and we cut the tail as well. Now the ba, as you see, is ready to be connected with the letter after. If the ba is at the end of the word, so there is a letter already, and here is the ba, and we keep the tail as it is. So let's say we have three ba, one after the other. So the first one is this, second one is this, and the last one is this. Now as a hint, you don't remove your pen from the paper, because every time you remove your pen you lose control, and it takes you time until you adjust your position on the paper again. So it's better then to keep writing the whole word and then start putting the point. So this is b, b, b. We don't have here some short vowels, so the letter is a consonant and is pronounced as b, 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 or as ib if you want to figure out where is the exit of the ba, so you say it's ib. Now we learned already the ba with the alif. So this is the ba, this is the alif. The ba is a connector while the alif is non-connector. So this is the ba and this is the alif. Now if we want to read this word composed from 4 letters, so it will be ba ba, which means father in the modern standard Arabic. Now if we want to connect those letters together, so we have to put the ba and connect it with the alif, and then the ba and connected with the alif. So I cut the tail of the ba and I prepare the alif to be ready to be connected. When I wrote the alif here, I wrote it from top to down, but when I was writing the alif connected with the letter before, I wrote the alif from the bottom to top. I repeat again. So this is the ba and this is the alif, and then they should be connected, of course. So this is ba, and this is the other ba. Okay, and let's write it in the best way. This is ba, and this is ba. I try to put the point down the vertical part of the ba.